And today is the 25th of July 2023. We have Vuorenjuuri, or Vuorenjuuri.
Yeah.
Bergsbåten 3 staircases C, and you can watch the staircases A and B as well here. It's here in Malminkartano, Helsinki, also money in Finland, close to Vuorenjuuri, and unfortunately the logo has been ripped off here. It was finished in 2003. So built in the beginning of 2003, turning 20 years old this year in 2023, and it says 02 or 2002 on the last year.
Yeah.
It's going to be inspected the next year, 2024, and has full flush but no basement floor. And this number is 1609C12. I'm not really sure what that light is. It's maybe some sort of emergency light.
Yeah.
Normally, I don't know.
Spectate-laikki vaikuttaa, että meidän by Schindler.
But that light is very good.
Yeah.
Yes, they have these 8 versions or 630 grams on let's close the door. It's here at the bottom. So out of these, we got only 4 of these smart elevators that we could build into.
Yeah.
But then maybe 3 older ones will check. So
That's
it's a flexible.